Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll see the answers for chapter 3, that is fluids of class 9th science. First part, choose the correct answer. First question, the size of an air bubble rising up in water increases because air bubble rising up, its pressure decreases. So if the pressure decreases, the size of the air bubble going to be increases. So மேல போக pressure reduce ஆகுதுனால அந்த bubble size வந்து increase ஆகும். Second one, clouds float in atmosphere because of their low density. Option A is the right answer. Third one, in a pressure cooker, the food is cooked faster because increased pressure raises the boiling point. Option B is the right answer. Fourth one, an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper is pushed down into a bucket filled with water. As the bottle is pushed down, there is an increasing force on the bottom. This is because pressure increases with depth. ஸோ அந்த காலி பாட்டிலில் வந்து நம்ம நீரில் அழுத்தா அந்த காலி பாட்டிலோட அடிப்பகுதி வந்து அதிகமான ஃபோர்ஸை வந்து எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அதிகமான ஃபோர்ஸ் எதனால் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணோன்னா அங்கே ஆழம் அதிகமாக ப்ரெஷர் வந்து அதிகமாகும். ஸோ ப்ரெஷர் இன்க்ரீசஸ் வித் டெப்த். ஆப்ஷன் சி இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். பார்ட் 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the weight of the body immersed in a liquid appears to be dash than its actual weight, less than its actual weight. Then second one, the instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is barometer. Then barometer. Third one, the magnitude of buoyant force acting on an object immersed in a liquid depends on dash of the liquid, density. Then fourth one, a drinking straw works on the existence of pressure. Next part, true or false. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, the weight of fluid displaced determines the buoyant force on an object. This is true. Second one, the shape of an object helps to determine whether the object will float or not. False. Because density. So density only decides that object going to float or sink. Then third one, the foundations of high-rise buildings are kept wide so that they may exert more pressure on the ground. If the base of the building is wide, means it exerts less pressure. So this is false. Then fourth one, Archimedes' principle can also be applied to gases. True. Fifth one, hydraulic press is used in the extraction of oil from oil seeds. True. Match the following: density, mass by volume. 1 gram weight, 980 dyne. Pascal's law, pressure. Pressure exerted by a fluid, H rho G. Lactometer, milk. Next part, assertion and reason type questions. Mark the correct answer as. The given 4 choices, we have to select the appropriate choice for the given assertion reason type question. First one, assertion: to float, body must displace liquid whose weight is equal to the actual weight. True. Reason: the body will experience no net downward force in that case. So both are correct, but reason doesn't explain assertion. So that option B is the appropriate option for the first one. If both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So option B is the correct one for first assertion reason type. Second one, assertion. Pascal's law is a working principle of a hydraulic lift. Reason, pressure is thrust per unit area. Assertion and reason both are true, and also reason explains the assertion. So for this, option A is the correct choice. That is, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. So A is the right option. Thank you, students.